is, I think this is what we are going to eat, pani puri. So I'll try. I think we put this one first. Please. No, all like the front. Yeah.
So how do you eat, if you can talk about that also?
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this is my school canteen, and today is our last working day. So colleagues are coming. Apeksha, ¿cómo estás? This is our Spanish expert. So can you say algo, something? How did you enjoy your school? The full academic year.
It was very, very nice.
What did you like the most?
Working with Mr. Jole.
All right, so we're here. We're gonna have breakfast, then go play some game. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome. Please enjoy. Have some Indian pani puri.
Pani puri. Yeah.
Yes.
What did you enjoy the most in this academic year?
In this academic year,
Yeah,
I
which is closing now.
Yes. We can say that I enjoyed school desk.
Okay. School
Where
desk.
we could go early and we could put in our leaves
Yeah.
and so on and so forth.
Perfect.
And yes, I enjoyed technology as usual.
Yeah, she's our
Every
math
time.
teacher also.
Yes.
She's into it also. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
All right. Thank you. Enjoy your
Thank you
breakfast.
so much.
Yeah.
Happy vacation.
Thank you. So we have Miss Azara, Miss Sarah, and Miss Joan. So Azara is our counselor, these two, and then our music teacher. How did you enjoy the school this full academic year? Three of you. We'll start with Sarah. Hey, Sarah. Sandra, sorry.
It was fantastic.
Okay.
We are enjoying today in the last day, but yeah,
Yeah.
we had many memories and yeah, a lot of fun.
Cool. Mom, how about you?
I enjoy working on the music video.
Yeah. Fond of music. Cool. Yeah. So we had a show called Les Miserables. So it was a musical event. She played, so that's what she's talking about. You, Zara,
I
she's my little one, huh?
Yeah.
I pull her leg sometimes.
always, not sometimes. So I love this academic year because this was the first academic year who completed.
Yeah.
Had new friends, loved the working environment, and I got a good friend.
Yeah. Cool.
Surely so.
Thank you so much. Hey, it's going to come on my YouTube channel, huh? So I'll share the link with you. Yeah. I share the link with you. You can go and see the video. Maybe by end of this week it will come. Yeah. Cool. Thank you. So this is our breakfast. Hey, Miss Rachna, say hi to my camera.
Hi.
Yeah. So this is Miss Rachna. She's HOD for Group 3. Yeah. So, Mom, how did you enjoy this academic year?
It was good,
Good.
lot of work,
Yeah.
lot of good fun,
Yeah.
and looking forward to the vacation.
Perfect.
Yes.
What did you enjoy the most? Right? Anything memorable for this academic year?
A lot of good fun in terms of the extracurricular activities that we
Yes.
all get involved in.
Yeah.
So it's good to bond with the students at that point of time,
Perfect.
and it's good fun for us too.
And what are the challenges? What did you face as difficulty? If any. If there is nothing,
I
it
wouldn't
went,
say
yeah. So it went fun, yeah, cool. Nice, thank you. This is Ranjita, my bestie. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, you ask, I'm asking the same question. So how was your academic year? What did you enjoy the most?
My academic year was good. Okay, there were lots of ups and downs.
Yeah.
But then this is part and parcel of the profession.
Yes.
And it's the best time. The best time of the year is when, while we get this time with our staff members to
Yeah.
bond with them. And yes, I enjoyed. I could bond well with some of the colleagues.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand life better.
Perfect. And you know, guys, you know what she's doing? She's learning French also. So this is something in one of the video I'll make her speak French with you. So ask me in the comment section if you want to listen to her speaking French, yeah? Okay, we are going for our breakfast. This is what is being served. It is called pani puri. So pani puri is a breakfast here. Yeah, and some sweet I don't know the name of those things. This is pani puri. So I'm going to get mine and then join my colleagues and start eating. Alright, so I think this is what we are going to eat, pani puri. So I'll try. I think we put this one first. Please. No, all like the front. Yeah.
So how do you eat, if you can talk about that also? So there is some stuffing, yeah.
Yeah. What is the stuffing? Potato and
Mutton.
mutton.
You wish.
I wish there could be, mutton, but it is not. It is peas.
You can try one at home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Pani
Keema,
puri?
you can prepare some keema, put it inside.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Keema and
Yeah.
or you can use vodka instead of water.
True, it makes sense.
And that got censored. Wow.
Anyway, I like this, but I don't like when it is made on the street. I don't eat it on the street. I like
So
homemade.
then Jole has not visited the right street then.
Which one then?
No, we have been to Jhama, but there also he didn't eat
You need
pani.
to go too far.
Tau Gali also we went now. We did a video in Tau Gali.
How can he?
We went in the
We
afternoon.
went around 6-7. How
PM.
Sorry?
How sounds much better. When the whole frenzy starts.
Otherwise, I wanted to do a vlog, so I went to Tau Gali also. But since I'm not so fond of street food,
Yeah, would you also like to include more pictures in the vlog?
yeah, of course, I'll do.
Okay.
Of course. Right now they're eating, I'll include them when we're playing the games. I'm going to show you how to eat after learning from my colleagues. So this is called puri. So you break it with your... Okay, I'll get another one. You break it with your finger. Okay, just keep a hole. Then you stuff it with this. I don't like coriander, so I don't remove it. You can add a little bit of what is this red one?
Meeta pani.
Meeta pani. Then
Tikka.
dig completely inside this. Okay. Because as you're putting in your mouth, there should be water also. It is wow.
It is wow,
This is the
okay.
second time, huh? Super.
Once we reach the auditorium.
Oh, meet Aarti guys, meet Aarti. The only one who could
Come,
crack.
sit.
The only one.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Listen to the song now, go ahead.
Jole, jole, mera dil, dole, dole.
So I dance over it. Okay, so this is Able. It's from Ivory Coast. Eating what? He's not eating pani puri, huh? He's not a pani puri eater. He's eating some sweet. Yeah, snack guy. What's up, man? Last school day. We're all chilling. Yeah. So, Bolo, tell me, how is your experience?
So far, yeah, was really good.
Yeah.
Start in 2 days, so we have to take about
Perfect. So what has been the memorable moment in the school from the time you joined? Like something which is there in your mind that wow, it was so good.
the face of the kid.
The faces of the children.
Yeah, happy, the teacher, the black teacher. And yeah, the joy was amazing.
Yeah. Cool. Alright, so this is his opinion. I will take the opinion of Miss Shweta Pandey, who was singing. She's my HOD, by the way. So, dear HOD, आप कैसे हैं? Cool. Experience क्या? School experience?
बहुत अच्छा रहा
बहुत अच्छा है ना? Too good, yeah.
and I'm proud of a teacher and Achanakya International School
Good.
and I'm blessed to have Mr. Jole
Oh my God.
my team member.
Team member, yeah. So we're a team member, and then we had a school trip to Ranjita come. So we had a school trip to Jaipur. So this is the team, Jaipur team.
And we are always together in a crime.
Yeah, like partner in crime and partner in good thing and bad thing also. Yeah. So what?
There is nothing bad, everything is fun.
Miss Jasmine, before you go. Yeah. So this is Miss Jasmine, our English and TOK teacher. Mom, can you share your experience in the school as the school is closing? How was your experience? Something very memorable.
It's been a very warm, staff-room atmosphere, and Mr. Jole is just one of us and never felt him to be away, and we're always learning French from him.
Yeah, and I'm learning Hindi from them. There is one Hindi word that I like when she says it's bilkul. So she says this and then I remember. So whenever I hear bilkul, I connect to Miss Jasmine.
Very
Yeah?
interesting.
Cool,
And we
cool.
hope to have him all back next year.
Exactly. Next year we'll be together. Yeah? Chalo, thank you. How is your experience in Kanakya
I'm
International?
just loving it, you know.
So how long you've been working here?
It's been 1 year now.
1 year.
Working with Kanakya, and it's a beautiful experience. I'm
Perfect.
working as a music teacher here.
Okay.
So
With
I'm-
CBSE?
Yeah, with CBSE I'm working here, and it's a fantastic experience. And I love the colleagues with whom I'm working.
Cool,
I love the
cool.
students. I love the environment and everything here.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Really, we are going, they are not going. You know, there are different boards in our school. So he's working for CBSE. They started a week ago, a week, right?
Yeah.
10 days
yeah,
more
10
or less.
days,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
We're going, they're staying.
Coming.
So chill. Alright, so as the school is closing, we've started with games. Okay, this is Mr. Felix, our music teacher and head of the department. And Mr. Raul, also music teacher, guitar player, piano player. What else you play? What other instrument you play? All. Drums, you know. Tabla also. It's a full music teacher. So yeah, school is off, teachers are playing. So let's enjoy with them. After that, I'll go to the auditorium because there many things are happening also there. Yeah? Guys, as you're playing, what are your plans for the vacations? If I'm not getting you distracted by the questions.
Flying home.
Flying home. When are you flying?
Germany on Friday, tomorrow.
Ooh. And Germany is hosting the Euro Cup, you know?
Yes.
So I'm sure you're gonna watch the matches.
Every match you watch.
Amazing, amazing.
Hopefully you watch in the stadium. Hopefully.
Yeah. Cool, cool. How about you, Rahul? Any plan?
I'm going to probably travel around
Around Mumbai or out of
Yeah,
Mumbai?
out of
Okay.
Dubai, around somewhere in India.
Perfect.
Let's see how
Perfect.
it goes. I'm planning a trek
Okay.
in July or something.
Amazing. Enjoy your vacation. Monge sir.
Yes.
Yeah, our school is getting over.
Yes.
So what was your experience in the school? I mean, the academic year.
This
What-
academic year? Wow, that's a deep question.
Actually,
Yeah, it needs a lot of thinking. It
Yeah.
was a good year. I think the team gelled even more. There was a lot of cohesiveness, a lot of things went smoothly.
Yeah.
A lot of new experiences.
true.
So I enjoyed it thoroughly.
Perfect, perfect.
And hopes are very high for next year.
Actually, yeah, because they set the standard super high.
Yes.
So next year, let's see.
Yes.
So what are the plan now for the vacation? As we're living.
Plan for vacation is to visit. Actually, it's unplanned.
Okay.
So me and Amrita, we've left it to the last minute, saying that once we have the favorable time, we'll make a very last minute decision.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's all up in the air, but we are definitely going to visit our home place,
Place. Okay. Great,
Pune
great.
and Aurangabad for Amrita.
Okay. Wow. Enjoy, sir.
Yes.
Enjoy. And happy
And,
vacation. Yes.
A special, what do you say? All the best for you to have a brilliant vacation.
Yeah. Thank you.
With Oscar Daniel.
Oh yeah. Actually, he's the one who will, you know.
So have a wonderful time with him.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope if you're going to travel with him.
No. We'll be in Mumbai. Yes.
It's going to be hard. if you-
Actually, because it's still small, so
Yes.
we'll be here. Maybe next year we'll travel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you so
Enjoy.
much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. All right, guys. Again, I'm going into the auditorium where people are playing. So here, this is Miss Amruta. Hi, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm good, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good.
That's something.
Exactly. So he was talking about her. Here she is. Mom, how was your experience in the school for this academic year?
This academic year, I think it has flown by. We did a lot of good work.
Yes.
It was fun to be here, and I'm excited for the next academic year.
Yeah, actually, I think we all are excited for that, you know, because the academic year went smooth
Very smooth.
and very well. So next year, we hope it will go the same way. Yeah. So any plan for the vacation?
We will be visiting our hometown, which is first Pune and then Aurangabad. Aurangabad is a city of caves,
Okay.
and there are a lot of historical monuments there.
Wow.
We are eager to go there. The weather will also be nice.
Yes, actually, raining has started,
Raining
so
has started, yeah.
temperature get
Yes.
Cool. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Mom.
See you.
So it will be on YouTube. I'll share the link with you. It is for my YouTube channel. The link will be shared with you. Yeah. All right. So let's go. They're sharing some information. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we have Mr. Parsi who is sharing. This is our star.
That we will form will continue for all 3 games.
No, sir. We want to change
So before the game starts, you know, sir is giving some instructions.
Why we will continue with the 3 team, same team, because then we can have the tally of all the 3 games together to decide who is the winning team.
Do we have a prize? What are your contests?
Yes, we have a prize.
One holiday prize. One extra holiday.
What? See, in any, may it be ICC World Cup or FIFA, prize is decided by the organizer. Participants don't have in that say. They have to fight for the prize. That's all.
What is the prize?
Organizer will decide.
You get to know.
But at least it should be known before starting, no? So that you know what you're fighting for.
Otherwise, we'll not have that interest.
The captains are
Mr.
Kamlesh and Priya.
Come on, guys, you know the winner.
2 teams, 3 games.
You want to win here, huh?
The winning team.
So the games that we'll play, first will be Dog and the Bone. Dog and the Bone. Second will be Footloose. Third, we may go for musical chair or sitting coco.
Interesting.
Okay. The teams, captains can start pulling out the teams.
Members.
The members. You can जो normal करते हैं बच्चे वैसे एक चूज करो.
But there are less males,
Wait,
huh?
ऐसे
How
नहीं
are we
कुछ
going to
chance
do?
मिलना
We
चाहिए.
cannot put male against female.
Also, wait. Also, just a minute. We will run each game for around 15-20 minutes. For each game, we will need specific number of people. So you can select from your team the strongest ones and the good ones who want to and who are willing to play. Others can be the audience to cheer up.
Oh, you giving
Their
them the
teams.
option of not playing? Yeah.
Others can be there to cheer up.
Okay.
But each member has to play at least 1 game.
Conditions of
Okay. So
Terms
if
and
I'm not
conditions.
playing for Dog and the Bone, then for the next game,
Yeah.
the remaining
Musical
games,
chair.
they should be there. You can repeat, but each one should get at least 1 chance.
Perfect. Good. So it is decided, the games. So let's go into the games, you know. Let's go and enjoy.
How the game begins. Dog and the Bone, everyone knows?
I don't know what it is, huh? I don't know. Sir, some demonstration needed.
Okay.
I have no idea.
So for Dog and the Bone,
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं वो बता.
हड्डी कुत्ता.
Okay, I didn't get that, so I don't know what it is.
अरे that हम आपके icon.
What was that?
Literal translation of Dog in the Bone. Hatti Kutta.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so now, okay, then, so first game you now all know, right? वो बीच में रुमाल होता है या कुछ हर्डल होता है. हर टीम में से एक आएगा बंदा, नंबर जो बोला जाएगा वो लेके और टैप कर लिया। Second game is known as Footloose. How many of you know goal spot?
When somebody says hi, I mean that yes, I know actually.
तो ऐसा था कि goal spot तो याद आ गया लेकिन Footloose भी याद आ गया। Okay, Footloose. So, if you know goal spot and if you don't know, then.
All right, so this is the winning team. Here we are. This is the team. Yeah.
70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास।
What does it mean, 70?
70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास। आगे क्या बोलते हो? ये 70 मिनट तुमसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता।
Who we all go there, or how many people go?
ये white line पकड़ो, white line. So we can send anyone or a number.
Okay, guys, we don't understand clearly the game, but yeah, chalo, let's do it. When have you started and you won?
Guys, you remember the numbers, right? One. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6. So yeah, we're still deciding who is going to go first because I guess we don't have to play all together at once. So.
बॉटल हैवी है।
अरे टाइम ना खेलेंगे।
No, it can't be. This is a new game for me. I even don't know. I just saw it, but it seems very interesting. Huh? So yeah, the one who is running has to catch the other one. So this is how the game works, So as I told you, our academic year is getting over. We're spending good time over here. It's really nice, guys. Yeah. Look up behind here how it is. It's really nice. You don't change the direction. No, 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 no.
Okay, next. थोड़ा अच्छे वाले पे आओ यार अब। कौन जा रहा है? मैं जा रही हूँ।
मेरा मैं वो वाले दे दो ना, आप जो बोलते थे।
मैं दे दूँ। आप आगे करो ना, you do it. Do it.
उनको तो पता ही है।
Kamlesh. Okay, मैं Rajiv's coming.
But who's giving the vote?
Yeah, मेरा मैं। अब मजा आएगा। Sir, cheating. He's pushing me.
He did not get to play Kho-Kho, na? Download.
एक साल हो गया।
पांच वर्ड।
नहीं चलेगा।
यार तुम concentrate करो.
पहला वर्ड। लास्ट वर्ड।
मैं भी कुछ सोच रही हूँ.
लिखना पढ़ना।
Teacher.
शिक्षक।
अरे एक्टिंग तो करने दो।
अरे कुछ किया ही नहीं।
पढ़ना. अखबार.
मैगजीन। पढ़ाई। पढ़ना।
अखबार. किताब.
खबर। किताब। टाइटल।
बुक।
सिनोनिम्स। किताब से क्या करते हैं?
किताब.
पढ़ना।
पुस्तक.
किसने लिखी है?
पढ़ना.
लेखक।
पुस्तक।
पढ़ना. लिखना.
बुक से क्या कहते हैं?
Guys, this game sometimes it goes fast, sometimes it takes time, and this one is taking time because I think they're not able to find out the clue.
So fourth is something related to Australia, fifth is something related to padhai, padna, study. Okay. Next, another.
Making of paper.
Third word.
ये कहानी
Miss, break भी कर
कहानी वर्ड है
सकते
क्या?
हो। कोई वर्ड लेके ब्रेक भी कर
मेरी अधूरी कहानी तो नहीं। मेरी तो अधूरी ना, हमारी तो आई एम स्पीकिंग फॉर माय सेल्फ।
Third word.
सेकंड वर्ड।
कहानी थर्ड है. क से
कैसे?
कौवा. यही डैश की शॉकिंग कहानी।
खड़ी है ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
अरे तुम काला की कैसे करते हो?
यार ये पिक्चर है। There is a movie. डैश की
डैश कहानी मूवी है।
First one is Hindi.
मैं अमी की
कुछ भी
is fixed, okay?
Alright guys, it seems so complicated, you know, they're taking time, almost 4 minutes for just the same one. So yeah, let's see, let's continue.
चोका और हवा क्या होता है?
तूफान
Wind, breeze, and wind.
Alright guys, I think I'll just cut it and then we'll continue with another person. If the answer is given, I'll put it in the comment section or in the video. Yeah? This is the winning team. Woohoo! This is the winning team. So this is a song which has not been released yet. So we got the exclusivity. Let's enjoy it. Coming from Mr. Felix. So this is just the way to close the academics here, you know. We're all done, all the games, everything. Now we're listening to this song and then after that we'll wind up. Yeah.